you have ever utilized coupons to bring people into your world, to increase the opportunity for you to get more sales. Sometimes coupon is all people need to just nudge them in the right direction. And additionally, coupons can be used to encourage people to, after a sales call or a demonstration, to to hire you, and it's a nice reward to get a discount for products and services. I'm in a test account of mine here. And doing this to show you the real world, real time options that are now available on Instagram. As of June the 4th, they've rolled out Instagram automations, and it is just that, various ways to automate, which typically have been awkward and cumbersome. So that said, in this case, I'm just highlighting a coupon of mine in the highlight section. This can, of course, be on a post. It can be a shout out when you're doing lives. A variety of ways to get people involved, because in this case, to get the coupon, what we're saying is just message us with the word coupon. So let me just type that in here quickly. Okay, and so I'm just messaging as requested. Now look at this, folks. Immediately I have been sent the coupon. So there is the image that the message came from with the word coupon. So that's what I just typed in, and the automation starts. Hey, we've got just what you're looking for. Looking for additional ways to monetize your existing Instagram fast? Schedule your pitch-free call with Mark. So there's a clickable link that people can go directly to my calendar to schedule a chat about Instagram automations, anything to do with chat messaging and conversational marketing. There is the coupon for 20% off all products and services, good for 48 hours. And then I just go on to say, want more? And if people are interested in seeing a short Instagram vid that I've done, they just click the link, just one of many elements, and that just takes them directly to a very nice video that basically showcases how the Instagram automations work. So people are much more aware about the world in the sandbox in which we play, and how we help entrepreneurs and busy business owners on Instagram utilize these now simple messaging conversations to and to automate the conversations in a meaningful, engaging, fun way, so that it makes it more fun for people to engage with your brand, with your business, and it also makes it easier to buy from your brand and business. So there's a lot of different ways that you can now utilize Instagram automations, which is new as of June 4th, 2021. You can deliver content, offer up coupons. You're only limited by your imagination. So I just wanted to quickly pull the curtain back, show you what possibilities there are, and hope this starts getting you excited. Always here to be helpful and to help you quickly stitch something like this into your current marketing plan. And I think you'll be astounded at the amount of engagements, reach, and ultimately adding to your bottom line faster. So on that note, Mark Huber, broadcasting from Vancouver. And until we speak, all the very best of continued success. Goodbye for now.